If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, mail call time. Let's get busy and get right to it. Just came in today, Saturday. All right, here we go. Aston, I believe is what it's pronounced. The pen comes with a sleeve and a bonus refill and a little card here, and you can use the code to check out here, I guess, for a discount right there. So I will be reviewing this pen pretty quick, God willing. So, and then we'll go to number 2, whatever this is. You have an idea, Mr. Announcer?
Well, I felt it, and it felt maybe like bottles of ink.
I couldn't remember where they would come from. Let's see. Here we go. No, it's not. It's my test strips. I'll show them with you. There we go, my test strips. Dun, 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 dun.
Sorry, no pens.
Oh, well, that's it. One's enough anyway. All right. Hey, thank you, everybody. God bless. Take care. Be safe. Love y'all. Hey, don't forget to join me on my Zoom. It's getting wicked. A lot of fun. A lot of cool things happening. A lot of people coming and sharing experience. We just did one with Matthew LaPlante, his first time. So it was a lot of fun. And peace and love. We're out of here. Bye-bye.